What's up guys? Rich Styles here. We have another house dance tutorial for you. Today we're going to be learning the shuffle. This move is a very versatile move. You can use it in other styles. I've seen it in b-boying, locking, house obviously. What else? Mosh pitting? I don't know. We're going to do this progressing, alright? So, first thing you're going to do is boom, almost like a two-step. Okay? All I'm doing is stepping behind me. Level 2, we're going to jump, step behind, jump, step behind, jump, step behind, jump, step behind. See? We just added a hop. That's all we did. We just added a hop to that back step. Boom, bang, boom, bang, boom, boom. Level 3. Okay, level 3. Now this is where it gets a little complicated, and this is where the shuffling comes in. Alright? Literally, I just want you to move your legs like this. 1. I think that's the Care Bear shuffle. Okay, now that we have that little shuffling of the feet, the little hopping from left to right, we're going to add the back step. So we're going to go boom, hop, back step. Let's try that again. 1, 2, back. Alright? From here, we're going to do it the same thing, except the opposite side. 1, 2, boom. 1, 2, back. 1, 2, back. 1, 2, back. 1, 2, back. All you really gotta do now is continue. 1, 2, 3, and 2. Ta 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 ta. Remember to hop between each step. Ta 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 ta. Amazing, you guys are killing it. That move requires a lot of drilling. So what you want to do to practice is just put on a song and just do that for the entire song. It's good cardio. That movement, practice it with music. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and also, bye.